Hi, it is 7:45 on a Monday night. I got off of work late, so I'm a little pissy because that kind of threw off my rest of the rest of my evening, because normally I come home at a certain time and I make dinner and I meal prep and then I'm done by a certain time so that I can get ready and go to my body pump class, but that's not gonna happen because I got home so late and I was so mad over something really stupid that wasn't even my fault. But anyways, that's how things go. And so I'm gonna miss this class today, but then I'm gonna go to the gym for the rest of the week and I'm gonna try to eat healthy. That's why I'm meal prepping. I have a lot of produce that needs to go in the oven and get cooked and eaten because then I'll be really upset if any of that food goes to waste. So that's the plan of this evening. You can follow me along, and if you have any questions on how I meal prep, let me know down below. But that's what I have for now. Just come along. But I'm almost done. Have the sausage, rice, asparagus, zucchini, asparagus, sausage, rice, and then I have some stuff here. I'm gonna put some chicken, and then maybe I'll put like some cheese wedges in here. We'll see what's in the refrigerator. Sometimes I'll do hard-boiled eggs, and that's about it.